Southampton, babe.
Southampton, the place. Oh, that's pretty sick.
Yeah. It's like we're in Dubai. You're taking too long now. We after dinner. We late. Scrub up nicely, babe. Scrub up nicely.
No, you're gonna keep going. You're gonna keep going.
Stop recording.
So you had a good time, yeah?
I've had a very nice time, nice relaxing time, and I would come here again, and I don't say that often.
You love it, man. It's Monday again and we're back for a fresh week. I have just had my birthday and I've had a great time.
and my husband took me away, and I was relaxed and chilled, and I had an excellent time. But now it's back to work. If you're wondering, yes, he did get me the camera. This is what I'm recording on now, so I'm not sure if it's going to be slightly different in terms of sound, but it is much lighter to hold, and it's much easier to take around as well because it's easy to hold in the hand. So yay! The camera he got me was a Canon G7X. Oh, do you know what I forgot? Because I'm so used to my old camera, the fact that this can flip out. So I'm going to flip it out now to see if, yeah, couldn't see that before. See, now I'm looking up at the camera. The camera has a little display at the top, so now I can see if I'm in shot and if I'm in focus, whereas I couldn't before. So that's excellent. But yeah, I had an amazing time. I've just drawn the Monday Girl, and the time is sponsored by Accurus, 11:45. I've got a busy week ahead. Last weekend I held a flash sale for my birthday, but what I've done now is close the store for a week because I really want to get on top of everything. So I'm gonna get those orders out this week, and I'm going to, believe it or not, finish the calendar girls. I'm hoping to get those 4 girls done this week and get all the formatting done for the calendar, and hopefully send it to the printers. I mean, that's a big ask, you know, I may not be able to do it, but I am going to try. And the fact that I'm decided and made a big decision of closing the store for a week, it's quite huge, so there's not going to be any sales coming in for that week. But that's fine. I need to focus on getting this done for you guys because I really want a nice calendar, and I really want you guys to get it on time so you can start your new year and with these lovely girls. I'm really loving this camera. It focuses really well. I'm not too sure on the sound. I don't think the sound's too great. This is my other camera. It's a Sony a6000, and it takes beautiful pictures. Let me just pop you down here. I can hold 2 hands. See, now I can see myself, guys. I can like frame the picture properly. Before I'd have to run behind the camera, press record and blah 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 blah. I wouldn't know if it's focused. But yeah, this is my Sony a6000. The lenses are interchangeable. It takes beautiful pictures, but it is very heavy, and sometimes when you are trying to do the vlogging thing, not suitable for taking outside because it's quite big. You can't put it in your pocket. This Canon G7X is really small, and I'll try and get I'll cut away in a minute to show you what the Canon G7X looks like, but it's a lot smaller. So just for reference, that's it in my palm of my hand, and I'll show you the other one in a minute. So it's a lot smaller. You can't change the lens. It does have a touch screen, and the screen can flip out like this, so it's really handy. I can fit it in my pocket like this. It's making my skin look good, huh? Wow. But anyway, I am waffling. It's Monday, I'm excited, and I am going to scan the Monday Girl in for you guys and get that onto my Instagram, and I'm going to start doing the orders. I'm going to start sketching. I've got 4 more girls to go. I'm feeling really excited. I've had a birthday. I'm 1 year older. It's a new week. The sun is shining. It's autumn and it's not that cold. Everything's great at the moment. So I'll check in with you later and I'll let you know what's going on.
or cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner. These editors are programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between these two terminals is made, the newest form of electronic journalism lights up Mr. Howard.
Hi guys, it's Wednesday and I've just finished printing all the stickers from the orders from the weekend. So beyond grateful to all of those who made an order over the weekend on my birthday sale. I can't actually quite believe it. Like, I have to pinch myself sometimes and think people actually want my stuff. It's just like, it's crazy to me. And I haven't even finished printing stuff. I still need to print prints and stuff like that. So yeah, to me it's shocking that people actually want my stuff in their house. So thank you again to all of you who made an order. 9 girls, guys. We are getting closer to our goal. We've only got 3 more to go, guys. I'm going to keep you guys updated with the last 3 girls. But yeah, it's a busy day today. The time is 1:45 and I'm going to stop nattering on and get on with it, because it's very easy for the time to run away with you when you are not focusing. So I'm going to focus, and I'm going to I might draw another lady. I'm going to get all these orders packed. I'll show you what I'm doing with packing the orders, and I will catch up with you later. Created this chica here. She's a little bit bigger than the rest, so hopefully I can resize her when I scan her in, so she kind of fits in a bit better. But you know, people are different sizes, so I might keep her a tall chica. However, I've got a ton of cutting to do. I've got to help the kids with their homework. So I can't attempt any packing today because I haven't finished cutting, but I've got 2 more girls to go. But I will pick up with you in the next vlog, and I will show you the last 2 girls and the rest of my packing, and then hopefully we will be done for illustrating those calendar girls, and I can stop talking about it and stop chewing your ear off about it. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So I shall see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.